It's a snowy morning and we're off to Massachusetts to go look at soapstone slabs for kitchen countertop.
Oh, wow.
Stay on the road, honey. It's all a sheet of ice.
Yep.
Let's see if we can make it out of our driveway.
You know that my dad taught me how to drive on ice, right?
Yeah. YouTubers will be proud of you, along with me.
Thank you, Dad.
All right, we'll
wait,
see you down in Worcester.
Worcester? Haverhill?
Haverhill. Well, I don't know. They're all the same. Massachusetts.
Brian!
All right, we made it. Now I just got to park and go look at the slab.
Coming up, I'll have the guys uncover that. I'll be right back because it is right down this aisle here.
All right, great, thank you.
Yep.
Huh. 100% natural.
Oh, that's pretty. This is like...
Look at this granite.
Oh, yeah, that's not too bad.
No, I don't think this is soapstone.
It's so pretty though, isn't it?
Yeah. She said they'd have to uncover it. I don't know how they uncover it.
Would it be possible to get a pony like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't know there were so many different types of granite.
Now, it just goes on and on. Look at that. Oh, they do have an overhead lift.
Look at that.
It goes on and on. Yeah, lots of choices. The easy way. How much do they weigh? Any idea?
About 1,100 pounds each.
And they come from all over the world?
Yep.
I see this one's marked Italy, Brazil, and
Brazil, Italy, India, Spain.
good thing we're only looking at one thing. Yeah, you would get lost. How do you choose on some of this stuff?
Oh, I know.
Just-
It's a process.
I bet you've got people wandering around for hours,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
So this is from Italy as well. So, 1.1 inch. So they're all 1.1 inch.
That one's a hard marble.
Yeah.
Yep. There's
Well, we did it.
We got our countertop.
We picked out a slab. And good thing we were only looking for soapstone because there's a million choices in there.
We would have been in there all day. There were so many choices.
Yeah. All right, back to the fabricator and then back home to go do something productive. All right, the countertop is showing up this morning. And this is the before shot. It's all prepped. Tops are all level. Dishwasher's out. All the drawers are out. And hopefully they should be here any minute to put in the soapstone countertop. You can't even see it. Where are all the pieces? Apparently they're in there. Oh, I see, they're doubled up. They're over there. I can just see them on that side. Okay, here's the after shot after the installation. I didn't film any of the installation because those guys were just doing their thing and I didn't want to get in the way. But as you can see, we've got countertops all in, undermounted sink here. And this faucet handle hits this, so I'm gonna have to do some kind of a cut there. But we also have another piece over here, so that's looking really good. So there it is. I got to put the doors and drawers back on, and we're gonna post this video. So here's a look at our stainless steel undermounted sink. I think it looks really nice. It should be really easy to keep clean, and it's got this nice grate, stainless steel grate in the bottom. So it all looks great. All right, there's a picture of what our kitchen countertop looks like. It's freshly installed. And I'll get a shot from down here. You can see dishwasher's not in, and the faucet's crooked because it's just pushed in the hole. It's not, nothing is attached. So I got to let the sink, the silicone on the sink set for 24 hours, and then I can, tomorrow, it's all about getting the water running in our kitchen. Oof, can you even see? Getting the water running in the kitchen, and hopefully the dishwasher at the same time, and then we'll have a fully functional kitchen. I can't wait. It's been a long time, so it'd be nice to get this all set up and running.